Hi, I'm Paul, the Happy Gilder. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you a time lapse of a commission piece I did recently. The reason I'm going to do that is because with this particular commission, I used all of the techniques that I covered in my feature-length video of how to make a glue chip glass sign. So I'm going to put that video up here, but just to show that you don't have to go with a kind of template design like I did. You know, you can come up with your own ideas and then kind of use these techniques on anything. Before I jump into that, I'll just cover a few things of the sort of reason behind this design. So this particular commission piece was for a friend at work, and it's for his parents' 50th wedding anniversary. And I used all of the kind of processes that I covered in my video about sort of commissions, which I'll put a link to up here as well. And the kind of idea behind this is his parents used to both work for separate breweries. And then as these two breweries merged, that was at the time of their wedding. And it was kind of such a unique story that it actually made the local paper. So it's a really kind of lovely bit of information to have when you're doing a commission piece, and that was the kind of idea behind the whole thing. We also managed to get the old wedding invite. I found out what font that was and managed to track that down, so I've incorporated the font, the dates, the kind of two different breweries and the wedding photo to make a piece which I hope they'll like, but I certainly think is really unique, and I'm really proud of the outcome of it. So anyway, I'll just crack on with that now, and then you can see the processes I used and how it turned out. So I hope you enjoy it.